Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best Anker earbuds in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Anker Soundcore Liberty P2 True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds have got IPX7 technology that allows them to be worn in any weather conditions. Now you can wear them in the rain and even your sweat won't be a problem with these earbuds. These earbuds' performance made them the best choice for wearing them during business calls, while commuting, or you are traveling, or even when you are out there playing your favorite sport or attending your regular gym. The sound of these earbuds consists of premium sound that has diamond-inspired drivers for bringing the best audio, voice and sound qualities of your music. Furthermore, it consists of the Qualcomm aptX technology that brings out the bass and treble that makes your music worth listening to. The charging time and the extended performance with a single charge make them the perfect earbuds for wearing outdoors. Now you can have the perfect 40 hours of non-stop music with these earbuds. Furthermore, the charging time of these earbuds is 10 minutes for providing you with an extended hour of listening to your music. Number 2. Our second best pick is Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo Earbuds. These earbuds are an upgraded version and equipped with graphene drivers that deliver crisp, clear sound. It provides good sound quality and it has built-in 2 microphones that make it best for call and reduce the noise level. You will receive natural sound without any interruption. Furthermore, it is equipped with a technology that has a modified algorithm. This algorithm does real-time analysis and it can lower the frequency. Additionally, it provides deep bass. The audio sensitivity is 97 decibels. Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo offers 5 hours of battery playtime per charge and 20 hours with the charging case. These pairs of earbuds are ideal for travel and workout. It recharges quickly and after 10 minutes of recharging, you will use it for 1 hour. The design of these earbuds is universally fit and it is equipped with grip fit technology that provides a solid and firm grip. You can use it while running, doing exercise, and another workout. It uses 1 lithium polymer battery to operate. The waterproof rating of these earbuds is IPX7 and fully sweat-proof. It will be used in the rain as well and suitable while running, dancing, and jumping. It uses satellite technology, as an LDS antenna along with Bluetooth 5.0 that provides an uninterrupted connection. It also minimizes sound leakage. Number 3. Our third best pick is Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Earbuds. A user-friendly and comfortable earbud that can easily fit in your ear. The fit type of these Anker earbuds is in-ear. Additionally, it can easily fit in your ear in simple 3 steps. It offers full touch control. You can on/off it via touch, control your music, stop the music, forward the track with a simple touch. It enables you to activate your voice call with a simple touch as well. It is light in weight and portable as its charging case easily fits in a handbag or pocket. Furthermore, this design is wireless and has built-in microphones and you can use both earbuds as a single use that make it more versatile. This is best for travel and business calls as it offers Hear ID personalized sound. The battery life is up to 7 hours at the single charge as the battery life also depends on the usage. The battery life along with the charging case is 28 hours that make sure it comes with long battery life. Additionally, if you are in a hurry and don't have enough time for recharging, recharge these earbuds for 10 minutes and use them for the next 2 hours. The accessories included are extra small, medium, large, and extra large ear tips, a charging case, and a USB-C cable. A complete package for your convenience. The Bluetooth transmitter frequency ranges from 2402 MHz to 2480 MHz. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro Earbuds. It has built-in drivers that provide good sound quality. Both the armature driver and dynamic driver helps in giving the deep bass and that is near to the ear. The large 11mm driver gives amazing supremacy to the low end and along with the bass blow the precise audio and clear sound quality. Additionally, it provides a clear sound along with a natural vibe without any distortion as it is equipped with 11mm Astrea coaxial sound. The built-in 4 microphones along with the CVC8.0 uplink help in minimizing the surrounding noise that makes it best for travel and entertainment. It is designed to provide you comfort and security. It offers single-ear connectivity. It allows you to listen by both or any one of the ear. This feature makes it unique and more useful. Additionally, the ear tips contain an excessive amount of liquid silicone that provides additional comfort to your ear. The ear wings also provide ease and it can easily fit in simple 3 steps. Furthermore, these earbuds are water-resistant and durable. The battery capacity of these earbuds is 65 mAh x2 and the charging case is 500 mAh. The weight of Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro is 3.52 ounces only. The dimensions of these earbuds are 1.15 by 0.67 by 1.12 inches. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 earbuds. The shape of these Anker Soundcore Liberty 2A3913 wireless earbuds is diamond-shaped, making them the perfect-looking earbuds for your ears. The charging time of these Anker earbuds allows you to enjoy the extended 2 hours of music with a single charge. There is another feature of these earbuds that makes them the best Anker earbuds, and that feature is you can charge them for 20 minutes and can easily carry them for additional 8 hours of seamless operations. The noise cancellation feature of these earbuds comes with 04 microphone-enabled uplinks for the seamless noise cancellation effects that make these earbuds the premium choice for wearing them while you are on the go. The water-resistant feature of these earbuds comprises IPX5 technology that makes them the perfect choice for your earbuds. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.